In this part of your journey, you will be exploring how thermal energy affects matter. To get started, click on the simulation called States. Notice on the right the 4 types of particles that you can explore in this simulation: neon, argon, oxygen, and water. Your job is to compare each of these 4 types of particles in their solid, liquid, and gas states. Specifically, look at the distance between particles. For example, what happens to the distance between neon atoms as it goes from being a solid to a liquid to a gas? As neon changes states, do the atoms get closer together or do they get farther apart from each other? Compare the distance between particles for neon, argon, oxygen, and water as they change from the solid to the liquid to the gas forms. Pay close attention to how water is different from neon, argon, and oxygen. Neon, argon, and oxygen behave like most substances do, but water is very unusual. Make sure you understand what makes water different before moving on to the questions. And of course, keep in mind what causes the changes of state. Watch that thermometer and play around with heating and cooling the substances. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time to really understand what's going on with this simulation. It can be really useful in understanding what's going on in our wild, wild Earth.